Hi, it's Mike with Prime Habitat Builders. We're just on location at the completion stages of one of our latest net zero homes. And I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to explain some things while we have this opportunity with a finished house and some of our products here on site, just to kind of go through some of the reasons of why we choose certain things and why we do things in a certain way. This particular segment here is about windows and doors. And we'll just show you some of the windows and doors details on the exterior of this house in just a second. But one of the big driving factors of our envelopes of our high performance houses, or net zero passive houses and those sort of things, is of course windows and doors. Windows and doors are extremely important because that's where the majority of our heat loss and our heat gain can occur in the window assemblies. So when we're doing the thermal performance and energy modeling of the house, we take an extensive look at our window and door options. These days we are using a fair amount of Innotek window products because they fit with our clients' desires for performance and houses performance. And also we have a whole array of different options for colors and foil fabrics and stuff. And I just put a couple of them out on the table here, but you can see this is a silver, they've got a wood grain finish. And these finishes are actually baked on at the factory, baked into the finish. It's not a coating that gets added on. It's not like you get a sticker where you could take this off. It's actually embedded right into the product itself. So very stable, UV resistant, lasts for years and years and years. It doesn't peel and flake, and it's easy to clean, but it looks like wood. So this is a great option for an interior finish. Exterior comes in all different colors, lighter silvers, darker, and you can also specify any color that you want. So when it comes to looking for the right color window frame, interior and exterior, there's lots of different options. The interior can also be a different color than the exterior. They don't have to be the same. So lots of different choices with that. Looking at the window frame itself, you can see it's a very robust window frame. It's really heavy, very stable. It's got lots of chambers in here that divide up from the exterior of the house to the interior of the house, that reduces thermal bridging and helps the performance of the window go way up. And then, of course, higher performance windows feature triple pane glass. The distance between the glass, the kind of spacer that's in here, the thickness of the glass, the coatings on the glass, all of these things are extremely important to detail properly in the design and energy modeling stage. So that's the kind of cutaway of what one of these windows looks like. Just a little piece of it. And what results is, in fact, when you get to a triple pane window, is the inside of this house is extremely quiet. There's actually some boats and some excavators that are working on the outside of the building. I'm going to open the door here. This is the lift and slide door here in just a second, and you might see some of the boats going by. But when we're in the house here, you can't hear a thing, which is absolutely a phenomenal experience when you're in the home. There you can see the boat going down the lake there, making a little bit of noise, but with the door closed, we don't really hear it at all. And if you look at the outside of this window frame, you can see this particular house, the clients have chosen a black window frame. So they're black on the exterior and they're white on the interior. And we also have special requests here for basically a zero threshold door sill. So there's basically about a 3/4 of an inch step over. It's almost perfectly flush from the inside to the outside. And we also have electric roller blinds and screens on this particular lift and slide. This door unit itself is about 18 feet wide. And we've put a full screen assembly on this opening just to create a better environment inside for bugs and things like that. And on the upper windows above this, we actually have roller shades. So they'll completely block out the sun in the afternoon so that we don't have any heat gain in the afternoon. So lots of little things to detail with the windows. Innotek's been a great product for us. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished.